pressures. We're always looking for ways to get more done in less time. The idea of using a computer to achieve this isn't new. What is new is the vast amount of data that we're currently asking computers to be able to process and analyse. A major problem we're currently facing is that many of the methods used by computers to analyse data are very slow on large data sets. What if I told you that, why, you might ask, can't we just build faster computers? What if I told you that some of the questions that we have could take longer than the lifetime of a universe to answer on even slightly large data sets? Then, even if we built a computer that was 1,000 times faster than the fastest computer we currently have, and ran 1,000 of them at the same time, we would still be waiting over 1 million years. So instead, we must improve the methods used by computers to analyse data. But how? Suppose I asked you to sort a pile of number cards into the right order. There are many ways you could do this. You could split the pile up into smaller piles, sort them, and then merge the piles. You could go through the cards one by one, putting each card in the right place among the cards you've already sorted. Whichever method you use, I'm sure you'll agree that if I gave you more cards to sort, it would take you longer. But what if I told you that only 5 of the cards were in the wrong place? Then, no matter how many cards I gave you, you could sort them pretty quickly. In my research area, we're using the same idea to speed up data analysis on computers. That is, we look for properties of the data that allow us to analyse it quickly, even when the data set becomes large. In the UK foot and mouth outbreak of 2001, 6 to 10 million animals were killed, resulting in a loss of £3.1 billion to the UK economy. For my PhD, I am looking at UK cattle trade data with the aim of reducing disease spread in livestock. Specifically, I want to know which pairs of farms I should restrict trade between to limit how far a disease could spread. To avoid disrupting existing trade more than necessary, it's important to place as few restrictions as possible. This problem is already well known to computer scientists, but is very slow to solve on big data sets. I'll be looking for properties of the data that allow me to solve the problem quickly, reducing the devastation caused by a future disease outbreak. Thank you.